Colleagues, order. Let's listen to the leader of opposition.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I want to state from the onset that for a minister bring a statement on the floor that we have demanded is not a favor. That a minister bring a statement on the floor that members have demanded is not a favor, and nobody should construe it as such. When members demand for a statement of any nature, and it takes that long, it delays inordinately, and the member reminds the House of that inordinate delay, and instead it impeaches another matter. Honourable Speaker, that speaks to ill will on the part of government. And as the opposition, we abhor ill will. We are patient over so many matters, but when we demand for particular situations to be clarified, and they are construed as favors, Honourable Speaker, 2 weeks ago, you promised that you would compel government to respond to so many unanswered questions on the floor. This is week 3. There's no response. Of course, I understand the fact that the Honourable Chon Kabdala could have misconstrued the length and the breadth of this. But that should never in any way impeach the urgency of the subject matter at hand, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you, Rob.
To the extent that the order paper would be compelled to move to the next level. Right, Honourable Speaker? These are very grave matters of the government of this country. Very grave matters. We are listening to the minister, and the minister had better act serious on this matter. Right, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, Mr. Rope, I really also sympathize with you. Because now, you told me you sat as a shadow cabinet, you wrote a letter demanding a statement, I passed it on to the Prime Minister directed the minister has prepared a statement, your own shadow minister says she shouldn't be listened to, so I can give in your wish. Me, I thought I was ruling as per what you wanted. So next time I request you coordinate better. It's better to always consult to your leader of opposition. Otherwise, I will make a ruling of that nature. But with due respect to my brother, Honourable Minister for Internal Affairs, please present the statement. Honourable Minister for Internal Affairs, please present your statement. Motion.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. My motion, Mr. Speaker, having referred the matter of the Honourable Zake to the Rules Committee, and I am not preempting the statement which brought us here, I move that the Honourable General Katumba Wamala, who boxed Zake in the last Parliament, that he is also referred to the same committee.
Thank you. No, I think Honourable colleague Ssemujju wanted a light moment, because I don't know under which rule he moved the motion, because you only move a motion under rules. Under which rule, Honourable?
Mr. Speaker,
yeah. Under which rule?
I am moving this motion under the category of motions without notice.
Yeah.
Rule 52.
Rule 59, Honourable.
59.
Yeah.
And Mr. Speaker, the requirement is that this motion is entertained. Because if you are dealing with matters of injuring each other, we have a general here who nearly killed the Honourable Zake in this Parliament. So as we refer the Honourable Zake for whatever he may have said, we need also to refer to the one who was killing him, and he's still seated with us here. That is my motion, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Now, Honourable colleagues, let's go on serious business. He has referred to 59. Rule 59 1K is the one in which the speaker has discretion whether the matter is urgent. This one I don't consider it a serious matter, therefore I don't grant it. So, Honourable Minister, continue.
Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable Members,
Procedure, Honourable Chibadya.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, I'm constrained as a member of WOPA. And Right Honourable Speaker, it's because these ladies you see here, they are boiling. We don't want to preempt or to say anything about your ruling. But Right Honourable Speaker, to water and treat the issue concerning a woman lightly, the way it's being perceived.
How have I treated it lightly?
I'm proceeding, Right Honourable Speaker.
No, Honourable Chivumbi, please take your seat. Honourable Chivumbi, take your seat. Because you see, Honourable Chibadya, okay? Colleagues, I don't want us to blackmail each other here, okay? The Honourable colleague, the aggrieved member of Parliament, came on the floor. I gave her space, she raised the issue. She requested me that she wants her video played. It caused the commotion. We went as leaders, we met. We agreed and the video was played. There is no any other video I have not played. That's a video which was given to me and we have played it, okay? And as per rules, it's still an allegation. You must refer it to the other committee so that the accused member can be heard. I've referred it to the committee. So which other way would one say that we are watering it down? Please, colleagues, let us not really. I respect women. I was brought up by a woman. I don't want anyone to insinuate that we are not handling issues of women here. Please. Honourable General Muhozi.
Right Honourable Speaker and Honourable Members, this is a statement about incidents involving security and the National Unity Platform President and some NUP members of Parliament in the Kampala Metropolitan Police area and Kayunga on 5th and 9th October 2023. Introduction. Right Honourable Speaker.
Honourable Rope, I will request you, sir. You requested for a statement. Your statement is being presented. I request you talk to your members to listen. We first listen to the statement and then we start the debate. Thank you, Honourable.
Right Honourable Speaker, you order that a statement be made by government in response to the incidents of Thursday, 5th October 2023 in Entebbe and in Kampala, and those on Independence Day on 9th October 2023 in Kampala and Kayunga District, involving the National Unity Party Platform party leaders and some party supporters, respectively. Background. In the months of August and September 2023, we witnessed nationwide mobilization tours and opening of party offices by the NUP party president in various parts of the country. These tours were punctuated with some incidents of public disorder, damage to property through malicious damage, fatal and serious traffic accidents, as was the case in Hoima on 11 September 2023, as well as inciting violence and uttering defamatory statements against the person of the President of the Republic of Uganda.
Honourable colleagues, House adjourned to Tuesday at 2 p.m.